Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2004 McFarlane action figures. We have from the NFL, the Buccaneers, Mike Alstott, and the Dolphins, Ricky Williams. There's the Miami Dolphins, Ricky Williams. There's the Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Mike Alstott. There's the side. 2004 McFarlane toys. And some of the other ones you can get right there listed. Tom Brady and Favre I've had. I've actually had that a few times. I was selling those for a while. That's this one right now. Here's your copyright. And there's a little yellowing on the package, but not too bad. There's some sun fade. Could be fluorescent light fade as well. Either way, they look the same. Let's get this out of the package. And my best way to open these might not be the best way, but I use my box cutter. And be as safe as possible by putting it over here on the ground. Can you guys see that? You can see this. And I'm just going to slice around the square. Oops. Right there. They're both twisted in there. Let's get their little turf out of there first. We'll do Alstott on the left. And we'll do Ricky on the right. That's easy to remember, Ricky on the right. And sometimes if I don't know if I'll remember or not, I pick the one with the most red and make him first, because red comes first in the crayon box. That helps me remember. Ricky on the right, red first. Alright, let's see. It's in a rectangular, and that is the peg on the bottom, so it goes right in like that. And you don't want to break it off, so you want to use your support hand also. And that is really, really cool. There's no moving parts, and that is fine by me because I like these little dudes all like in their pose. Nothing easy to break. And now we have Ricky Williams. That was Mike Alstott, by the way. Alright, same thing now. We have that rectangle. We want to keep him on the turf, not off the turf, so let's go that way. That's how we know how it goes. We want to keep him on the turf. And there he is for his pose. Really cool. Really cool. Ricky on the right, red ahead. That is cool. Thank you to everybody that tuned into this one. We have Todd McFarlane's 3-inch figures, by the way. I didn't say that. These are 3-inch figures. And Tampa Bay Buccaneers, Mike Alstott, and the Miami Dolphins, Ricky Williams. And this is from 2004. Thanks again for tuning in and watching. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.